The Scelzi story begins in 1979 on the south side of Fresno. It was a great time to be an American. The Steelers beat the Cowboys in the Super Bowl. Richard Petty won his 6th Daytona 500. At almost the same time in 1979, on the south side of Fresno, Scelzi Enterprises was born, a family business of 3 brothers financed by their father, who instilled in each son a commitment to quality in everything they did. Some things have changed since then, but thankfully some have not. Scelzi Enterprises continues to build the highest quality truck bodies in the USA. Flatbeds, service bodies, dump trucks, water trucks, crane bodies. You name it, we build it. The quality commitment is the same today as it was in 1979. Just look at the weld seams on this dump truck before it enters the paint booth. No one else insists on weld quality like this. The team at Scelzi is poised to expand and grow even more in the future. We keep inventing and innovating with new body styles and new production techniques. In addition to our facilities in Fresno, we have also expanded to Shafter, California, Riverside, California, La Salle, Colorado, and Tacoma, Washington. Scelzi Enterprises, we keep getting bigger and better. Scelzi Enterprises, premium truck bodies, the top of the line since 1979.